Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, and I'm ready to share with you Candy's Card Club kit for November. Each month for Candy's Card Club, I choose a set of stamps and dies or stamps and a punch, and I create 8 cards using that stamp set, and then create card kits for that are included with my club members' kits. I also include some paper usually and some kind of embellishments and ribbons. So let me share with you my November offering. I'm featuring Layers of Beauty. This is an annual catalog bundle. It does include, the bundle includes some beautiful dies and a set of masks. These are very fun to work with. And then of course the beautiful stamps. And this is one of our $1 Million Achiever sets. There's just a lot to love here. We're going to use the flower on its own, and we're going to cut it up, chop it, do all kinds of fun things. I'm pairing it with some online exclusive products. Now, this is a brand new paper that is going to be coming out in the November online exclusives. It's not available as I'm filming this, except if you're a demonstrator. So it's called, something about beauty, because I think it's called Brushed with Beauty is the paper. Layers of Beauty is the stamp set. So I thought that kind of went together. Love, love, love this color palette. And like I said, you get a half a pack of this entire beautiful set of designer series papers with just yummy colors. We've got quite a bit of Darling Duckling and Mossy Meadow and Petal Pink and Calypso Coral, Early Espresso, very vanilla. Colors that will just really bring home some beautiful projects for you that you can use all year. Look at all of the different pieces here. So as is typical with Stampin' Up! Designer Series papers, one side is what we would sometimes call the A side that has all the pretty designs, and then what we would call the B side has more subtle patterns. But these are fabulous to work with. Now you're also going to get in the November kit, you get a half a pack of this paper, you get a roll of this Mossy Meadow and Gold trim. This again is in our online exclusives. It actually released in September. So you've got gold on one side and Mossy Meadow on the other, and it's just beautiful, very elegant look. And then we're also going to use these dots that are part of the online exclusives, and you get, can't remember which blue that is. I think, and they don't even tell you on here, these are the low profile sparkle dots. I know these are Mossy Meadow and these are Darling Duckling. I'm thinking these might be Misty Moonlight, but they go really well with the project. So let's look at the projects we're gonna make. For Candy's Card Club, I do 2 each of 4 designs, but they're individual cards completely because I use the same layout but make them totally different. So here I'm featuring the paper. Here we're going to be creating our own designer series paper. These are the Darling Duckling cards, and we're cutting up some of that fun stamp that's a beautiful floral spray. I always include at least 2 fun folds. This is a little side pocket, and it's really sweet, really fun to do, and just for a nice small note. And then kind of the stars, the show, as it were. We have this really lovely anniversary card, and then the same kind of layout with different colors for this one. So I'm going to be doing some videos with this to show you how to use the masks and how to use the floral, main floral stamp to really maximize the usage of this. This card kit comes all prepped, ready to go. It does include 8 envelopes. Everything is sorted, ready for you to stamp and assemble, and all 8 projects. Now, Everything is going to be cut for you except your designer series paper, and everything is going to be die cut for you except where you have to stamp and die cut. So then you'll be given a piece of cardstock for that. All of this comes to you, shipping is included, and it is $45 if you are a Card Club member. You can join the club. It is $45 a month, and whenever you join, that is when your payment will come out each month. PayPal is the one that facilitates the payments, but you can use your credit card, your debit card, however you want to pay. And you can unsubscribe at any time, but if you stay with this for 6 months in a row, you'll get a really nice loyalty gift. And if you are not ready to join the club, you can get just this one kit for $49. Again, that does include your shipping. Now, I am offering you the opportunity to add this on as an additional product, and that way it will come with your kit. But again, this is not included. You'd have to add this on. You may already have this. This has been out for a little while. If you don't have it and you don't want to purchase it now, you could use another floral stamp set that you have in your stash. So I thank you very much for your consideration. All details are at sweetstamper.com under Card Club, Candy's Card Club. Thank you so much for your consideration. Take care and God bless.